Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the top jobs in Germany for 2024. Germany boasts of one of the strongest economies in the world and is a hub for innovation and industrial development. With low unemployment rates, a robust labor market, Germany actively seeks skilled foreign workers to help with labor shortages. The German government has also introduced policies to make it easier for foreigners to work, including the Blue Card scheme and updated immigration laws. So if you're considering working in Germany, you're in the right place. If you're new, I'm Ashika and I talk about moving across the world to work or study, and with that, let's dive in. Germany's cost of living varies significantly based on the city. So let's compare Berlin and four other top cities: Munich, Frankfurt, Hamburg, and Stuttgart. For a single person in Berlin, it's 1,200 to 1,500 euros per month. Munich will cost you 1,500 to 2,000 euros per month. Frankfurt 1,400 to 1,800, Hamburg 1,300 to 1,700, and Stuttgart 1,300 to 1,700 euros for a month. In terms of a family of four, Berlin will cost you anywhere between 3,000 to 3,500 euros a month. Munich will cost you between 3,500 and 4,500 euros a month. Frankfurt will cost you anywhere from 3,200 to 3,800 per month. And Hamburg will cost you anywhere from 3,100 to 3,700 per month. Stuttgart, on the other hand, will cost you between 3,200 and 3,800 a month. Rent makes up a significant portion of these costs, especially in cities like Munich and Frankfurt. Now, the average gross salary in Germany is around 50,000 euros per year, and this varies depending on the industry, experience, and location. In high-demand sectors like IT and engineering, salaries are significantly higher, while jobs in retail or hospitality unfortunately offer lower rates. Germany has a wide range of job opportunities. Here are some of the most in-demand roles: software developers with the average salary of 60 to 80,000 euros a year, mechanical engineers with the average salary of 55 to 75,000 euros a year, healthcare professionals like doctors and nurses with an average salary of 50 to 120,000 euros a year, data analysts with an average salary of 50 to 70,000 euros a year, electricians with an average salary of 40 to 50,000 euros a year. Now coming to the most popular jobs in Germany for foreigners. For foreign workers, these roles are especially accessible. IT specialists, which are developers and data analysts with an average salary of 60 to 80,000 a year, nurses and caregivers with an average salary of 40 to 60 a year, construction workers with an average salary of 30,000 to 45,000 euros a year, warehouse and logistics staff with an average salary of 25 to 35,000 euros a year, and English teachers with an average salary of 25,000 to 40,000 a year. Now, to work in Germany, you'll need a job offer and a work visa. Here's how you can get started. You will need a job offer, and your employer in Germany must sponsor your work visa. After this, you would have to apply for your work visa, submit the required documents, including your employment contract, to a German consulate in your country. Now, if your job pays at least 58,400 euros a year, you can apply for an EU Blue Card. The visa approvals typically take between 4 and 6 weeks, so that's something for you to bear in mind. Now, these are the top 5 job portals that you should absolutely check. There's LinkedIn, Stepstone, Indeed Germany, Monster Germany, and Xing. These platforms offer listings in various industries and are ideal for both English and German-speaking roles. There are also some agencies which you can consider reaching out to. Remember, they don't always have openings for people, so it's important to check politely while you're at it and not assume that they will have openings, all right? Starting off with Adecco, which is known for placing workers in logistics, IT, and engineering roles. There's Manpower, which specializes in temporary and permanent roles across various industries. There's Robert Walters, which is ideal for IT, finance, and executive level jobs. There's Hays Germany, a leading agency for healthcare, IT, and engineering roles. And Randstad Germany, which offers opportunities in logistics, manufacturing, and office administration. Now, Germany offers incredible opportunities for foreign workers, from high salaries to career growth in thriving industries. By targeting in-demand sectors, that's important, in-demand sectors, and using the right job boards and agencies and understanding the process, you can make your dream of working in Germany a reality. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.